Hi everybody, welcome back to Pizazz Studios. This is Lori, and I want to say welcome and thank you to all the new subscribers on my channel lately. I've had an awful lot of new subscribers, and I appreciate all of you hitting that subscribe button. Please remember to hit the like button on the videos after you've watched them. If you enjoyed them and find them inspiring, that helps me out on YouTube and does help other artists as well find my videos with the YouTube algorithms. That means a lot to me, and thank you so much. And the video you're about to watch is the creation of my painting here called Choices. It's an 11 by 14 level 2 gallery wrapped canvas. And it turned out absolutely beautiful. I love the coloring in it. It has some marks in it. It has some texture to it. I hope you like it too. I appreciate you being here. As you will see in the video, I started in one direction and then I completely changed course, which I kind of tend to do sometimes. Funny, because when you try too hard as an artist, things don't always flow, if you know what I mean. You feel stuck and you get like blocked. To unblock, a lot of times you just have to let it go and let the paint do what it wants, let it take you where it wants to take you, let the painting become whatever it's meant to be, and leave it at that. And if you try too hard, I have found, blocks you up and creates, you know, it makes it harder for you to create something that you're happy with. And just enjoy your painting, enjoy the process as you go, and that way it seems to me that I turn out better paintings that way. So I hope that little tip there is helpful to somebody out there. If you appreciate these videos, please, like I said, hit the like button and do subscribe. See you again soon on the next video. Thanks for being here. Have a great day.